The Flow International A-3000 Ultralight integrates the productivity benefits of ultra-high pressure Waterjet technology with a breakthrough design to bring major productivity improvements to your surface preparation and coating removal jobs. Ultra-high pressure brings the power of 40,000 pounds per square inch of intensely directed water, full force, to remove even the toughest materials more quickly and more cleanly than any other surface preparation tool on the market. The A-3000 Ultralight's unmatched productivity per square foot is due to its high nozzle rotation speeds. Rotating at up to 3,000 RPMs, the A-3000 turns faster and uses significantly less water than other water-based methods. Powering the A-3000 Ultralight is the Husky, Flow International's direct drive field pump. Well suited to most surface preparation applications, the Husky runs from a 205 horsepower Caterpillar diesel engine and is the only pump on the market that can produce 40,000 psi in the field. The Husky can run multiple tools, so your cleaning will be even, dependable, and fast. Because the A-3000 Ultralight is a true ultra-high pressure tool, its environmental benefits end up making good business sense. The A-3000's low water volumes reduce costs as well as cleanup time, and its air-powered operating system means there will be no hydraulic hoses or spilled fluids that can cause safety or contamination problems. The A-3000's superior design harnesses its power in a package that weighs only 11 pounds. Its state-of-the-art ergonomic configuration minimizes wasted movement and risk of injury. An operator who can work comfortably is more likely to perform longer and more safely. Safety features like the A-3000 splash shield and second trigger help prevent handling mistakes and accidents. The A-3000 Ultralight is adaptable to nearly any surface preparation project. Tough to remove coatings like paint, scale, and oxides can't stand up to the A-3000's 40,000 pounds of pressure and its 3,000 RPM nozzle rotation speed. Flow International's A-3000 Ultralight. Portable productivity for your toughest jobs.